welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some reviews for you guys. So I'm just going to jump right into it. Everything that I show you guys I got for a discount or for free, just to share my thoughts and review on it. And I'll have all the links for everything down below in the description. So we're just going to go ahead and jump into it. This is the first thing that I got. It's packing cubes. It says, "Wish you have a colorful life." I think that's super cute. This can be used to hold all these when not in use. This closes right here, and so you can use that as a wet bag. You can use it for lots of different stuff. The quality on these is really good. They seem like they're waterproof. It comes with a bunch of stuff like this one, and I like that they have these hoops on here. It makes it easy to open, especially for like if I use this for one of the girls, which I will be doing. So I'm really excited to start using these when we pack, which will probably be this week. So these actually close up. Let me open it without ripping it. There we go. These actually close back up. They fold back up and snap closed, and then they store in this little baggie easily. So that's really cool. I mean, it comes with a really good amount of stuff. Here's another one that's closed up. This one looks like it's an even bigger one. I mean, it comes with a good amount of stuff in here. And then there's one more. And then if you look on my Instagram or on my Facebook page, you'll see the review of this and the pictures. But it also came with these little seal bags too. So I'm really excited to start packing. And then they all, like I said, they all fit right in here when they're not in use. So I like this set. I think it's super affordable. I think it's really pretty. So yeah, I definitely said that I recommend this set. It's nice. Very cool. So now I have a like multicolored one, and then now I have this pink one. So I can use the multicolored one for my son and my husband, and then I can use the pink ones for my daughters and I. So super awesome. So yeah, I definitely would recommend checking that out if you're looking for some packing cubes. Next we have some of these, some unicorn tattoos. Okay, so these are just some of them. There was 16 in the set that's linked down below. It came with 4 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, and more. So these are just really cool. My daughters have been absolutely loving these. They last really good. You know, as far as temporary tattoos, they're really great designs. I love the quality of these. They're really cute. I mean, they're really good. So I would definitely recommend these. These would have been perfect little party favors when my daughter had her unicorn party, but we're just a little too late for that. So, but my daughters do love these, and they're going to be using all of them anyways, so that's really cool. So definitely check that out if you're looking for some unicorn temporary tattoos for your daughter, granddaughter, anything like that. Cool. The next thing is super useful. If you guys don't know what this is, if you've never seen one before, these are purse rings, okay? This set came with a pack of 4. I gave one to my grandma because we went out for her birthday dinner, and I gave her one so she could hook her purse onto the table. So what you do is you put this down and you pull this part out and you put this on the table and you hook your purse on there. So it holds your purse up off the floor, and it worked really great. This one also opens right here, and it has like a little, not like perfect mirror, but it's got like a little kind of mirror in there, or you could put pictures in there, like a little locket or something. That'd be kind of cute. That's what my husband said. And then it just folds right back up when you're done. So you just fold this up, and there's magnets on the side, on the inside here, that hold this on there. So you just throw this in your purse, which is exactly where this was. It was in my purse. So I would definitely recommend checking these out if you've ever wanted something like these. These are awesome. Very cool. Next, we have a Bluetooth headpiece. It came in this little container right here. I actually got this, you know, because my husband might be able to use it, but he actually said that I should keep it because since I'm deaf in one ear, I can put this in the ear that I can hear in, and I can actually hear my husband really well, and he can hear me just fine. So the sound quality in this is really, really good. It pairs super easily. You just hold this button until it turns on, turn your Bluetooth on, and it automatically, you know, you just click it and it automatically connects. Easy peasy. And then it gives you a little guide that tells you how to end a call, accept a call, stuff like that. So this is really, really cool. I would definitely recommend checking that out too if you're looking for one like that. And I forgot to say, excuse my no makeup appearance. I'm getting ready to film I'm getting ready to try to do a makeup challenge on Susan Young's channel. I'll try to link her channel down below. She does some makeup challenges, and I really had fun with the last one, so I'm really excited to try to do this one. And then it ends a few days before my birthday, so I'm hoping that'd be really cool if I win that one. Maybe I'll just get lucky because it's close to my birthday. You never know. So yeah, definitely check out her channel. I love her channel. She does really good videos. She does videos like every day, so I'm always trying to watch all of her videos, but she's got really good videos, so definitely check her out if you haven't. Then I got this fan. It exceeded my expectations. I was just like, well, I could use that, so I'll just get that. But this thing is a really decent size for a fan. I got this because my car right now that I have doesn't have AC. So we bring bottles of water, cold water, in my truck, and I figured we could use this a little bit too. And the kids really do like this. I'm going to turn it on real quick so you guys can see. You just hold this down. Or no, we killed the battery the other day. But so I got to charge it. Oh, here we go. Turned on for a second. It blows pretty good air. The kids really liked it. It did help them to cool down. Yeah, you can see it blew on my hair. It's really good. So I would definitely check this out if you need a personal fan for like baseball games or anything like that. And then you have this little stand that it comes with, so you can peel this little part right here off and use it as a stand. So that's really neat if you needed to use it in your car, office, whatever. So this is really pretty. I think it's super beautiful, and I really like this. I think it's really great. So I would definitely recommend this if you guys are looking for a little fan like that. So yeah, that's all the reviews that I have to share with you guys today. If you guys like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and then comment down below and let me know if you have any of these products, if you've been looking for anything like this, or what you thought the coolest thing was, or just say hi, because I'd love to hear from you guys. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!